Good evening, how's everybody doing? I'm working on a 2008 Buick Enclave, which is the same as the Chevy Traverse, 3.6 liter, doing a water pump. What you want to do first is definitely jack up the vehicle, secure it with jack stands, pull off the passenger side wheel. I like going and taking off the harmonic balancer, which it gives me easier access to the water pump to get the bolts in and out. It's still not an easy job, but that's a way to do it. I think I did say drain the coolant, but that's just my quick tutorial, and it would be best to go ahead and change out this front oil seal while you're in here so you don't have any later sprays of oil. On another note, like Robin Williams said in Aladdin, it's not a pretty picture. I don't like doing it.